Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new advanced investment platform script. So the name of this script is Hyip Max Investment System. So this is a Hyip investment system script. This video is going to be the best video of my channel because this is the most advanced Hyip script. So you can see how amazing its landing page is. Before moving towards the video, let me clear you that to make this complete website, you must need a PHP script Hyip Max. So if you want to buy this PHP script, you can contact me on WhatsApp. And if you want the complete website with hosting, we also provide you the complete website. So you can contact me on the number given on the screen. You can WhatsApp me and we will provide you a script, or if you need what website. So don't worry about the price of script. Come to inbox and we will negotiate on the price. Now let's start our video. So you can see how amazing its landing page, home page is. So there are two options: get started, you know more. So you can change this details from the admin panel. This website is with admin panel. You can change everything that is on website. You can change through admin panel. So don't worry about the changing. Or if you want me to change, we will also do it for you. No problem. So when I click on get started, it will redirect you to a plan section. So here is a plan section. You can see these are all the plans on this website. So when you click on the plan, it will go redirect you to the login page. If you already have an account, you can log into it, and if you don't have an account, you can register your account. So I have already logged in. So this is my account. So you can see I've already logged in. You can see how amazing my account panel is. So this is my balance. It is showing my withdrawals, total deposits. So here's the option of investment. You can choose your investment plans. You can choose your deposit plan. You can see your withdrawal history. You can transfer money, interest logs, and this is the way to transfer money. So these are all the options. There are referral log option, transaction log option, two-factor verification, and log out option. So you can also log out from this panel. So this is the dashboard of website. You can login dashboard of the website for a user. So I will go to my website and give you the demo of the other part of this page. So these are all some trusted 30,000 plus users. You can change through admin panel. So this is the calculator. So here you have to enter amount, plan, and calculate earning. You can calculate your earning. This is about section. You can add about yourself through admin panel. You can change these images through admin panel. So why you choose us? You can add your details right here. Here is investment plans. You can list your investment plans. I will tell you how to list in the admin panel section. So these are all the plans. You can change them, add new, delete them. What you want to do with website, you can do it. So here's how it works: create account, choose plan, get profit. So simple process. Here's commonly asked questions. Here's recent transactions on your website. This is withdrawals and transactions. These are the top investor sections. What our clients say about us section. You can change this section through admin panel. Here are 5 referral programs, commission 1%, 22% commission. You can change everything through admin panel. So here are recent blogs. You can click on it and read them. So I will just click on the blog, and this is how you can read the complete blog. So you can also add comment to blog. Whatever you want to do, you can do it from. So this is the most advanced Hyip investment platform. You can change everything. You can change logo through admin panel. You can change name, and you can add your social media links here, and everything you want to change, you can change through admin panel. I will show you how you can change. So here are different separate pages: investment plans page. So this is about page. You can view these pages separately. So this is contact page, blog page, and other pages. So you can also change language here. So this is the general overview of website. Now let's open our admin panel and see how it looks like. So I will just open my admin panel of this website. So this is the amazing admin panel of this website. You can see everything. You can see total invest, total pending interest. You can see total amount, total user on your website, total active user, total deactivate user, total withdrawals, and everything on your website. You can control it through here. Here you can see graphs of invest reports, withdrawal reports, and automatic payment gateways, everything of your website. So Here you can manage your referrals of website, so you can change them from here. So whatever you want to do, you can do it from here. So here you can generate interest commissions, etc. So here is schedule section. So you can see all the times, you can edit them, hours, days, weeks on your website. You can add different times. So this is a manage plan. So here is you can manage all the plans on your website. So daily, hourly, lifetime, premium, you can edit them. You can add new plan from here. You just have to click it and you can add simply by filling this simple information and add new plan. So here's manage user. You can manage all the users on your website. So this is only one user on my website. Here's ticket option. You can manage tickets. So it is opening it ticket. So here are payment gateways option. You can create payment gateway manually, or there are some payment gateways already, PayPal, etc. Many payment gateways are available, and you can add your own payment gateway through this section. So this is how you can create payment gateway by clicking it, or you can edit Bitcoin or coin payments gateways through edit option. So here's manage theme. So amazing thing about this website is there are two themes provided to you in this website. When for example, there are two template, gold template and green template. I will activate the green template. You can simply change the template through here. And let's visit our website. When I click on visit site, and I will see my site. So you can see our site has been changed to green template. So how amazing it is looking. You can see how amazing its structure is completely changed. So choice is yours. Any template you can select from here. So here is a setting option. You can manage your email settings through here. So here are the setting options. You can manage your email settings. Simply, this is a simple process. Email templates. From general setting, you can change basically site title and site logos, etc. So here you can change site name, site currency, color, etc. and many other things you want to change. Email verification on. You can turn on SMS verifications. You can change the logo of your website, and what file you want to change, you can do it from here. So these are the site setting options. You can change parallel setting, Google Analytics, cookies content, Google reports, live chat settings, and clear cache. Here you can manage languages. So here you can manage user interest logs, commission logs, front end settings. From front end setting, basically you can change pages, banner sections. You can add content to them. You can remove any section. It all depends on you. Testimonials. These are all the sections that are on your website. You can simply click on them and change them. So here is a plan section. I will go to it. Here are investment plans. You can update them and manage them. So you can change their name, and whatever you want to do, you can do to them. So here are pages. You can manage all the pages on your website. You can edit them through here. Here is home page, about page, contact page. You can just simply click on it and edit your pages. So here is how you can edit them. You can add a feature plan, many sections. You can also delete them. Whatever you want to do, you can do from here. So this is a simple structure of website. No difficulty here. So here from you can manage feature section. You can manage about section from here, and sorry, it is opening. So here you can manage about section. You can change details of your about section from here. You can change slug. You can change options. You can change this image. And all the sections that are on your website you can change simply like this. Here is investor section. You can change this, and so here is you can choose file and top investors of your website. You can list from here. So these are all the sections of your website. So here's a testimonial section. You can change its name. You can update them, and you can also change the details of testimonials from here. So these are all the section: blog section, newsletter section. So this is a blog section. You can edit blogs, you can delete them, or you can add a new blog by clicking add blog button. So here is how you can add new blog to your website. So viewers, in this video I will give you a complete overview of this website, and everything you want to know, I will just quickly demonstrate everything to you. So hope if you like the video, do subscribe to my channel and like the video. And you can see also there is a bar of notification. You can see notification of active users, the user that registered to your website. You can see all the notifications here, and you can also run ads on this website. So if you like this video, do subscribe to channel and like the video. And for PHP script or complete website, contact me on WhatsApp and we will provide you your required information or script or website. Thanks for watching this video.